We are pleased to show you the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, trip odometer, heated steering wheel, power brakes, fog lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.